$350 million in income is what a defense contractor allegedly tried to hide from the IRS, although unsuccessful, since he was arrested this July of 2024 in Ibiza, Spain. Edelman became a millionaire during the United States post-9/11 military efforts in Afghanistan and the Middle East. His defense contracting business received more than $7 billion from contracts with the US Department of Defense to provide jet fuel to US troops in Afghanistan and the Middle East. He tried to use Delphine, his French wife, to escape US taxation. He tried to say that Delphine founded and owned the defense contracting business, and because she was a French citizen residing abroad, she did not have US tax obligations. Although he was a 50% owner of the defense contracting business, Edelman told this false story of Delphine's ownership to various arms of the US government, including to a subcommittee of the US House of Representatives during a 2010 congressional investigation, to the Department of Defense during contract negotiations, to the Internal Revenue Service in a 2015 application to the Offshore Voluntary Disclosure Program, and to the Department of Justice in a 2018 presentation. In addition, the IRS says that he tried to hide his defense contracting profits into foreign banks. He used banks who were known to shield account holder identities from US authorities. Edelman used banks in Switzerland, the Bahamas, Singapore, and the United Arab Emirates. And on top of that, he held the accounts in the name of non-US entities that were created in other foreign countries, Panama, Belize, and the British Virgin Islands. Well, this didn't stop the IRS Criminal Investigation Division who, in collaboration with Britain, Spain, and the Joint Chiefs of Global Tax Enforcement, known as the J5, caught up on his scheme. If you didn't know, the J5 brings together the taxing authorities of Australia, Canada, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, and the United States. Edelman used these funds he tried to conceal from the IRS to fund his other business ventures around the world. That's because he also had a business selling internet services to US troops and contractors at Kandahar Air Base in Afghanistan. He also had a Mexican fuel infrastructure project and a music television franchise in Eastern Europe. He allegedly also used the money to buy a ski chalet in Austria, a house in Spain, a townhouse in London, and multiple yachts, all of which were purchased in the name of nominees. Now, if you didn't know, if you have or control foreign bank accounts and assets or foreign business interests, you might need to report them not only to the IRS, but also to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. I will include some links in the description of this video with some of the rules and IRS forms regarding foreign assets. But you should consult with a tax professional if you have such assets. Coming back to our story, Edelman and Delphine are charged with conspiring to defraud the United States and 15 counts of tax evasion. Edelman also is charged with 2 counts of making false statements to the United States and 12 counts of willfully violating his foreign bank account reporting obligations as part of a pattern of unlawful activity. They both face many years of prison. Now keep in mind the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt in a court of law. Subscribe for more tax stories and tax updates.